And I want to get really honest with you here. For a lot of men, things start out beautifully in the bedroom. The attraction is there, the chemistry is alive. But then, minutes in, things change. You start losing firmness, you feel embarrassed, maybe even frustrated, and in the back of your mind you wonder, is this just the way it's going to be from now on? If you've ever had that experience, this video is for you. Because not only is it more common than you think, but there are real, evidence-based ways to get your confidence back. And today, I'm going to break down the 7 main reasons men lose their erection during intimacy, and most importantly, what you can actually do about it. Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle Zion. I'm a men's health and intimacy educator. I help men improve their performance, protect their long-term health, and feel fully confident at every stage of life. So I want you to stick around until the very end, because I'm going to share solutions that I've seen transform not only intimacy, but overall health and vitality in men of all ages. Step 1. Understanding how erections actually work. Before we talk about the reasons erections fade, let's quickly understand how the process really works. Because once you get the system, the solutions will make complete sense. Here's the fascinating part. Erections are not just about one body part. They're the result of your brain, your nerves, your blood vessels, and your hormones all working together in perfect coordination. It all starts with the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest mode. When you're relaxed and aroused, your brain sends a signal through nerves in the pelvis. That signal releases a natural chemical messenger called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as the green light. It tells your blood vessels in the penis to relax and open wide, which allows blood to flow in quickly. At the same time, tiny valves help keep that blood inside, creating firmness and pressure. When everything works together, nerve signals, good circulation, healthy valves, you feel strong and confident. But here's the reality. As we get older, these systems don't always communicate as clearly. Studies show that nitric oxide production can drop by nearly half between ages 40 and 70. That means the green light isn't shining as brightly as it used to. The good news? This entire system can be supported and strengthened. Just because things have changed doesn't mean they can't improve. Step 2. The 7 reasons erections fade. Let's go through the 7 most common reasons I see men lose their erection during intimacy. Reason 1. Gravity and positioning. This is something most men never think about. But the position you're in matters. For example, lying flat with your partner on top can allow gravity to pull blood away instead of into the erection chambers. If you already have a little blood leakage in the veins, this position can make it worse. So yes, even something as simple as body positioning can make a real difference. Reason 2. Mental distractions and stress. Your brain is your most important sexual organ. If it's full of worries about work, about performance, about whether your partner is satisfied, your body can literally shut the process down. That's because stress activates the fight or flight system, which directly opposes the relaxation needed for intimacy. Research shows that psychological factors can explain up to 60% of erection issues in younger men. Reason 3. Reduced sensitivity with age. As men age, the sensitivity in penile nerves naturally decreases, sometimes by as much as 30%. Conditions like diabetes or even simple wear and tear over time can make the nerves less responsive. Less sensation means less stimulation, and that can interrupt firmness during intimacy. Reason 4. Insufficient arousal. Sometimes the body isn't fully on board. Maybe you're distracted, maybe you rushed, maybe your partner wasn't quite ready. If you're not fully mentally and physically engaged, the signals from the brain to the body aren't strong enough to maintain the process. Reason 5. Performance anxiety. This one is huge. Once a man experiences losing his erection even once, the memory can linger. The next time he may be thinking, what if it happens again? That thought alone can trigger the body's stress response, creating a self-fulfilling cycle. Reason 6. Cardiovascular health. Erections are essentially a cardiovascular event. They depend on blood flow. If you have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, or even early arterial plaque, those same conditions that affect the heart will affect erectile quality. In fact, ED can show up years before other heart symptoms. Reason 7. Hormonal changes. Testosterone plays a vital role in libido, erection quality, and overall energy. Starting in the 30s, men lose about 1% of testosterone every year. Lower levels mean weaker signals to the brain and body during intimacy. Step 3. Solutions. What you can do about it now. Let's flip the script and talk solutions. These are practical, evidence-based strategies you can start applying right away. Solution 1. Empty your bladder. First, this may sound simple, but a full bladder can press against nerves in the pelvis and interfere with erection signals. Going to the bathroom beforehand reduces that interference. Solution 2. Use gravity to your advantage. Choose positions where gravity helps blood flow in rather than pulling it away. Standing, kneeling, or being behind your partner often works better than lying flat. Solution 3. Prioritize foreplay. Don't underestimate the power of slow buildup. The more aroused your partner is, the more stimulation you'll naturally receive. This not only strengthens firmness, but also reduces the pressure to perform right away. Solution 4. Avoid alcohol before intimacy. Even a couple of drinks can dull the nervous system and reduce blood flow. Studies show alcohol can lower erection quality by up to 25%. Save the wine for after, not before. Solution 5. Space out ejaculation. Your body needs time to rebuild neurotransmitters and hormones after orgasm. Many men find that spacing intimacy every 5 to 7 days actually improves stamina and erection quality. Solution 6. Consider gentle devices. Some men benefit from constriction rings that help trap blood inside. When used correctly, they're safe and can be a simple support if venous leakage is an issue. Solution 7. Support your vascular health. This is big. Exercise, nutrition, and targeted supplements can dramatically improve circulation and nitric oxide production. Clinical research supports natural compounds like L-citrulline from watermelon for better blood flow, pomegranate extract for vascular support, zinc for testosterone balance, ashwagandha for stress and libido support. Think of this as giving your body the raw materials it needs to work the way it's designed to. Solution 8. Restore sensitivity. You can improve nerve response and sensitivity through multiple approaches. Keep testosterone in a healthy range. Use gentle vibration or stimulation devices designed for men. Boost nitric oxide through exercise and diet, leafy greens, beets, and quality supplements. Over time, these strategies can retrain the nerves and restore responsiveness. Step 4. The bigger picture. Here's what I really want you to take away. Losing your erection doesn't mean you're broken. It doesn't mean you're less of a man. It usually means your body is asking for attention, whether that's better circulation, more relaxation, or support for hormones. When men take steps to improve erectile function, something beautiful happens. They don't just improve intimacy, they improve their overall health, stronger circulation, better stress management, improved hormone balance. These benefits ripple into energy, confidence, and vitality in daily life. So if you've been struggling with losing your erection, please know you are not alone. This is common, it is treatable, and it does not define you. I've seen men at every age turn this around, and I believe you can too. Take care of yourself, give your body the support it needs, and approach intimacy with patience and presence. You are worth the effort, and you deserve to feel confident, connected, and fully alive in your intimate life. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, because so many men need to hear that there is hope. And if you want resources on the supplements I trust and recommend, I'll leave them in the description and pinned comment below. Remember, your health, your confidence, your intimacy. They all matter, and with the right steps, you can reclaim them.